In today's challenge, we're guessing breakfast meals by emojis. Let's see if you can guess all of them. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more fun challenges. Let's play! What meal is this? Egg on toast. Let's try this one. Pancakes and syrup. How about this? Cereal. Can you guess what this is? Fruit smoothie. Let's try this one. Waffles and butter. Bacon and eggs. How about this one? Croissant and coffee. Hot chocolate. Can you guess what this is? Chicken and waffles. Cupcake. What meal is this? Avocado on toast. Can you guess this one? French toast. Pineapple smoothie. Let's try this one. Orange marmalade on toast. Chocolate cereal. What could this be? Cheese omelette. Fruit salad. Let's try this one. Pancakes and bacon. Milk and cookies. Let's try this one. Apple juice. How about this? Egg tomato sandwich. Iced coffee. Let's try this. pancakes with berries. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.